Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can get Canva Pro for free. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open any preferred browser on your device. Next, in the browser's search bar, type canva.com and hit enter. This will take you to the Canva website. Once you're on the Canva website, sign in using the educational account you have. Here, you can choose any one of the available platforms, such as Microsoft or Google, to sign in. Make sure to use your educational email address and password to log in. After signing in, you'll be directed to the Canva dashboard. From here, navigate to the Profile menu at top right corner, select the School tab, and once the web page loads up, access the Education section. This can usually be found in the top menu bar. In the Education section, access the Teachers and Schools subsection. Here, you'll find resources and tools specifically designed for educators. Simply tap on the Get Verified button, and a pop-up will open up. To apply for Canva Pro as a teacher, follow the on-screen instructions provided. This may involve submitting proof of your educator status, such as a school ID or documentation verifying your teaching position. After applying, Canva will review your application, and if approved, you will be granted access to Canva Pro for free as an educator. So that's basically how you can get Canva Pro for free. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.